Welcome back to the Drive Smart campaign. Here's something to think about. Taking your eyes off the road for just 5 seconds at 50 miles per hour means you've travelled the length of a football pitch blind. That's how dangerous distracted driving can be. Distractions, whether it's texting, eating, or adjusting controls, can turn an ordinary drive into a life-threatening situation. Today we're breaking down the real dangers of distracted driving and sharing 5 simple ways to stay focused behind the wheel. Distracted driving is one of the leading causes of crashes, and the worst part, it's completely avoidable. Staying focused can protect you, your passengers, and everyone else on the road. Let's look at how to cut the distractions and drive safely. Tip 1. Know the 3 types of distractions. To avoid distractions, you first need to understand them. There are 3 key types. Visual distractions, taking your eyes off the road like checking your phone or looking at a passenger. Manual distractions, taking your hands off the wheel like eating or adjusting the radio. And cognitive distractions, taking your mind off driving like daydreaming or getting lost in conversation. Even one of these can be dangerous, but combining them is even worse. Staying aware of these distractions is the first step to avoiding them. Tip 2. Put your phone out of reach. A quick glance at a message might feel harmless, but it only takes a second of distraction to cause a crash. Instead of risking it, put your phone on silent or do not disturb mode before driving. Keep it out of reach, like in the glove box or a bag. If you must use it, pull over safely. Never use it while driving. No text or notification is worth your life. Tip 3. Keep both hands on the wheel. Multitasking doesn't belong behind the wheel. Eating, reaching for something, or adjusting controls can take your hands and focus away from driving. Set up your GPS and adjust your settings before starting the car. Eat before or after your journey, not during it. Use voice controls or preset your music to avoid distractions. Keeping both hands on the wheel means you're ready for anything. Okay, what's your biggest distraction whilst driving? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more Drive Smart tips, because when you drive smart, you drive safe. Tip 4. Stay mentally engaged. Your mind needs to stay focused on driving, not wandering. If you're tired, take a break before getting behind the wheel. Stressed, breathe, relax and clear your head before driving. Talking to passengers, keep conversations light and avoid distractions. A clear mind helps you react faster and drive safer. Tip 5. Plan ahead to reduce distractions. Many distractions can be avoided before you even start driving. Check your route and set your GPS before you go. Choose your music or podcast ahead of time. Secure any loose items that could roll around while driving. The more you prepare before setting off, the less you'll need to do while driving, keeping your focus where it belongs. Remember, distracted driving is 100% preventable, and small changes can make a big difference. Every time you get behind the wheel, make a conscious choice to drive distraction-free. Make the choice to drive smart.